How to add camera shake in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and select the clip where you want to apply the camera shake effect. Make sure you are in the Edit tab so you can easily access your timeline and effects. Next, go to the Effects library on the top left side of the screen. Under Open Effects, scroll down until you find the effect called Camera Shake. This is located under Resolve Effects Film Emulation. You can also search in the search bar to find it easily. Simply drag and drop this effect onto your selected clip in the timeline. Now, click on the clip to highlight it, then go to the inspector panel on the top right. You'll see the camera shake settings appear. This is where you can customize the shake to fit your style. You can adjust the motion scale to increase or decrease the intensity of the shake. Also, you can tweak the speed scale to control how fast the shake moves, and zoom amount to compensate for the motion blur or crop caused by the shake. Try enabling motion blur if you want a more natural and dynamic feel to your shot. Lastly, play the clip to see the effect in action. If it feels too strong or too light, go back to the inspector and fine-tune the settings until you are satisfied with the look. And that's it. Now you know how to add camera shake in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.